Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've got everything ready. Signed in, location on, and preferences set. First, enter the address or place name in the search bar and pick the correct suggestion. This ensures accuracy. Once done, choose the transport mode, car, transit, walking, or bike, and glance at route options to compare time and distance. Make sure to select the departure or arrival time if relevant. Also download an offline area now for places with weak reception so navigation won't stop. Next, refine the chosen route by examining traffic, tolls, and travel time. Pick the fastest or the simplest depending on your priority. You should add intermediate stops or waypoints to optimize errands or detours, and tap the layers icon to enable satellite, traffic, or transit views for better context. Once set, save important places to lists and preview unfamiliar turns with Street View. This reduces surprises. You'll arrive smarter because you planned around real-time conditions. As you drive or walk, follow voice guidance and watch lane assist for busy interchanges. Zoom in when turns are complex so you've got context. If traffic changes, Google Maps will reroute automatically. Make sure to allow it. When you need a break, pause navigation or drop a pin to return later. If the app behaves oddly, first toggle your device GPS and mobile data, then force close and reopen the app. If that fails, update maps or re-enter the destination to clear routing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.